Yo, what's good? It's your boy Wolver. Today, we're doing something different. We're not just talking about crypto, we're hunting it. I'm about to show you exactly how to generate and scan BIP39 seed phrases automatically. No theory, no fluff, just execution. Let's lock in. Step 1. Open the lab. Fire up VS Code. Go to File, New File. Name it whatever you want, but here's the rule. It has to end with .py. That's how the machine knows this is a Python weapon. And if you want the exact source code I'm about to run, Telegram link is in the description. One click, you're in. Step 2, inject the code. Now paste the code in. Look at this. Clean, modular, dangerous. You see this interface? That's not some basic command line trash. This is a full graphical user interface built with tkinter. Lightweight, gives you complete control over the entire scan operation. Auto scan, generate wallet, multi-chain switching, it's all right here. Step 3, peek under the hood. Let me show you what's really going on. Check the file explorer. This isn't a single script, it's an army. Dedicated handlers for Ethereum contracts. Solana integration. Bitcoin API connectors. Everything modular, everything optimized. I'm running this inside a virtual environment to keep dependencies like Web3 and Base58 tight and clean. The heart of this beast? Entropy generation. We're creating cryptographically secure seed phrases and deriving addresses using the exact same paths hardware wallets use. Ledger, Trezor, doesn't matter. This bot speaks their language. Step 4. Go multi-chain. Look up here at the network selection panel. This is where most scanners die. Single chain trash, not this one. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Kusama, Solana, toggle them all at once. This bot doesn't hunt one blockchain, it hunts the entire ecosystem simultaneously. Cross-chain recovery, educational research, or just flexing on everyone who told you it couldn't be done. Step 5. Pull the trigger. Let's hit Start Auto Scan. Boom. Look at that. The interface just woke up. Behind the scenes, the backend is generating valid BIP39 seed phrases at insane speed. For every single phrase, it derives public addresses for every network you selected at the exact same time. Watch the current wallet display. You see that? 12 words, 24 words, all rolling in real time. And right next to it, the specific address being queried on-chain. Now look at the scan results window. Those logs? That's live API pings. The bot is reaching out to Blockstream for Bitcoin, hitting Solana, mainnet, RPC, checking Ethereum nodes, asking the blockchain one question. Does this address exist? Does it have a balance? Has it ever been touched? And the blockchain answers, every single time. The real talk. Here's what you're really watching. This is the bridge between local cryptographic generation and live on-chain data. You're visualizing the astronomical scale of the blockchain address space, more combinations than atoms in the universe. And this bot marches through them, one seed at a time, non-stop, while you sleep. It's beautiful, it's terrifying, and it's the ultimate reminder. Keep your seed phrases secure, because out there, bots like this exist, and they never stop hunting. The Wolver Invite. Building this project was a deep dive into the mathematical foundations of modern finance and cross-chain compatibility. It's been a wild ride developing this bot, and I hope this gave you a clear look at how these systems really work under the hood. If you want the code, if you want to join the community, Telegram link is in the description. That's where the real ones hang out. Thanks for watching. Stay dangerous. Stay encrypted. Wolver out.